Gillespie. Visual approach. Traffic in front of us is a low approach. This is Dick Rochfort.
936 Echo at midfield.
952 Papa Mike.
27 left.
Meridian.
Midfield.
Caution, terrain. Caution, terrain.
And this is normal on this approach.
Caution, terrain.
Of the terrain.
Terrain, terrain. Pull up, pull up.
Very authoritative voice, but we can see the terrain. We want to pull down. All right, so you got your traffic still?
Yes, I do. He's right in front of me.
And
500.
what altitude?
Do you ask me?
Yeah, so he's on the mist. He's on the go. Okay. So do your thing. Good for 90 over the numbers, 85 in the flare. So aim for that displaced threshold. See if that doesn't help you. And then take power away such that you cross the numbers at 90. Yeah, come on down. Don't lift the nose yet. Come on down. Squeeze power away if you're too fast. Squeeze power away. When you get to idle, move your hand. Arrest the descent. Put your hand on the yoke like you're really flying. Yeah, good. Hold it still now. Hold it still. Right there, right there. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Hold it still. Hold it still. Hold it still. Jesus, the gear down. Oh, good. Nice job. Beta back pressure brakes, all three. No heroic efforts. No heroic efforts. Go down. Yep.
Make it.
2 Papa Mike, say parking.
High performance for 2 Papa Mike.
2 Papa Mike, turn left at your next taxiway, cross runway 27 left and contact ground.
Left here, cross 27 left, contact ground, 2 Papa Mike.
November, correction, 4 flight 492, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 27 right, 4 foot 4.
You're off at Delta 2.
Cross the parallels at above 900, landing a circle will be at your risk, wind calm.
Cornfield 900.
I heard cleared to cross. I don't see anybody coming.
Grand Meridian 952, Papa Mike's clear on Delta 2, taxi high performance.
2 Papa Mike, let's ground taxi via Delta Alpha, cross runway 35 at Alpha 2.
Delta Alpha.
Alpha, cross 35 at Alpha 2 for 2 Papa Mike.
I heard clear to taxi. Nicely done. Welcome to San Diego.
Ground circle golf cart at 6, requesting to cross 17.
Safely.
Let's ground cross 17 Alpha 6.
Rain off.
Cross 17, Alpha 6, circle cart.